Summary of The Dying Sun by Sir James Jeans. The Dying Sun is a scientific yet beautifully written essay by the renowned British astronomer Sir James Jeans. In this chapter, Jeans explains in simple, imaginative language how the universe, stars, and planets, including our own Earth, came into existence. Although the theme is scientific, the explanation reads like a fascinating story of cosmic events. Formation of the universe. Jeans begins by describing how the Sun and the planets were formed millions of years ago. He explains that the Sun was once a large mass of hot gas, spinning slowly in space. At that time, there were no planets, only the Sun existed. The peaceful scene changed when a huge wandering star passed close to the Sun. Its powerful gravitational pull caused the Sun to stretch and form a long, thin finger of fiery material toward the star. As the wandering star moved away, this long filament of gas separated from the Sun. Because of instability, it broke into 12 smaller pieces. These later cooled down and became the planets of our solar system, including Earth. The remaining central mass continued to be the Sun. Thus, Jeans explains that the planets were once a part of the Sun itself. Birth of Earth and life. Jeans continues by explaining how planets cooled over millions of years. When the Earth finally cooled enough, water appeared, oceans formed, and conditions became suitable for life to begin. The warm seas created the perfect environment for tiny life forms, which slowly evolved into the countless living creatures we see today. This part of the chapter highlights the long timeline of creation, from hot gases to oceans, plants, animals, and finally human beings. The Sun as a dying star. Jeans points out that although the Sun seems permanent, it is actually slowly dying. It burns its fuel every second and is gradually becoming cooler. One day, many millions of years from now, the Sun will no longer be able to provide light and heat. When the Sun dies, life on Earth will end, because every form of life depends on sunlight. Jeans uses this idea to show that the universe is constantly changing and that nothing lasts forever, not even the stars. Main theme and message. The Dying Sun is not simply a scientific explanation, it also invites readers to think about the vastness of the universe, the mystery of creation, the fragility of life, the inevitable end of all things. Jeans helps us see how tiny humans are in the grand design of the cosmos, and yet, how wonderful it is that life appeared on Earth from a chain of cosmic accidents. Final summary. The Dying Sun describes the birth of planets from the Sun after the close, passage of a wandering star. The planets cooled, life gradually began, and the Earth became home to countless species, including humans. Jeans also explains that the Sun is slowly dying, and someday all life will disappear when its energy is exhausted.